With this video, I want to start to introduce you to hashtags. Most people are very aware what hashtags are.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
So if you're a total beginner and you might have heard of them, but you don't know exactly what's the point of them or what are the ramifications of them and their roles in the social media algorithms, definitely still watch this video, because in the next videos, we're going to build on this. So for absolute beginners, what are hashtags? It's basically, you see this is Twitter and you see some of the text in my tweet is just regular text as you would see anywhere, but some of the text has this pound sign ahead of the words. When you use that pound sign, it's like a conversation. For example, somebody tweeted something with a few hashtags. This is actually a student, and he said, I'm really enjoying this course on Udemy, and he used this hashtag Udemy and hashtag SEO and social media marketing. Now, this is a very rarely used hashtag because it's kind of awkward and long, but if I click on it, it's like a conversation. You see, there's many different tweets about this. For example, this tweet or this tweet. And so that tweet got saved in there. Now, some of these tweets are from 2017, like this one. This is from 2020. So it's a very, very rare hashtag. And this is 2014. So basically nobody's using this hashtag. And you can understand why, because it's long and cumbersome and clunky. But if we go back to another hashtag, like let's say Udemy or even business plan, that's a good one. Then you see there's a lot of people posting on this topic because business planning is a popular topic. And if your tweets appear here, then you'll get a lot of extra exposure. And I'm showing you Twitter here, but hashtags are obviously prevalent on Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. There's less use of them in Facebook, but there's still use of them. So they're throughout social media. And typically, if there's another social media website down the line, they'll probably use hashtags. So the way you should look at it is you need to make sure that you use and appear in hashtags that are used by other people, not those dead hashtags like I showed you in the beginning, but ones that are not so competitive that you're going to just get drowned out. And that will give you extra discoverability on whatever social media marketing site you're on. And obviously through that, more sharing, because more people will find your post, will comment, will share, all that. And so you'll get more followers and more sharing. And in the next videos, I'm going to be showing you strategies for how to get the most out of hashtags so they can boost your virality. So with that, let's get right to it in the next video.